Tutorials are the very specific Oxford and Cambridge style of undergraduate teaching. It's a sort of Socratic method of teaching with a student, wherein they have to write an essay every week, and then we talk about different topics related to that week. There's a lot of reading that students do independently.
Be you and your professor, or you, your professor, and one other student, so it'd be kind of like this very intimate classroom space. It's really just promoting a conversation about the materials.
The site director and the program director, who's back here at PLU, work hard to tailor the tutorial opportunities to students' individual needs.
As a teacher, I want to have the flexibility to understand what a student wants and needs from a course. And although we often have set readings, I'm available to tailor because this is a one-on-one experience.
So I got to kind of expand and do something I was really interested in that was kind of unique.
I think the tutorials really push students to be independent scholars. It is a distinction of our honors students that they are really pushed to contemplate things in an interdisciplinary way and to really investigate things in depth. And the tutorial system pushes students to do that. And most of the student experience when they're in Oxford really revolves around that inquiry, their tutorials. For our IHON students, it is a remarkable challenge, but also a very rewarding challenge.